Hey guys, welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Today, we're sharing a special, beautiful, and super creamy fruit chaat recipe that's perfect for any occasion. It's colorful, refreshing, incredibly delicious, and absolutely mouth-watering. If you're looking for a quick and easy dessert that everyone will love, then this recipe is for you. We hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section. So, let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the fruits first. Wash all the fruits thoroughly. Peel the fruits where needed, then cut them into small cube-shaped pieces. Step 2. Mix the ingredients. Take a large mixing bowl and add all the prepared fruits. Grapes, chopped guava, apple, strawberry, apple maraba, banana, chopped dates, dry raisin, add kiwi, add chopped watermelon, and so on. Now add fresh cream, tomato ketchup, and chopped masala. Step 3. Mix and serve. Mix everything gently until all the fruits are well coated with the creamy mixture. Your delicious and refreshing creamy fruit chaat is now ready to enjoy. Serve chilled and enjoy with family and friends. This recipe serves 8 people. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. And let us know your thoughts in the comment section.